Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Briahna Beauty here, and in today's video I am going to be filming a chit chat get ready with me, and this is also going to be a get to know me tag. So I have a few questions that I asked my followers on Instagram to ask me. I gave them the opportunity to ask me anything they want, and so in this video I'm going to be answering those questions. Now, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, be sure to do that at Briahna Beauty. That's Briahna Beauty, like my YouTube name. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, but before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Let's get it. So I have my phone here. I did my brows off camera. I don't really know how I feel about them today. I haven't had my brows done since the beginning of quarantine. Let me pull up these questions. And so I did my brows. I already primed my face. So my next step is foundation. First question is, what's your name, age, and birthday? Okay, so yes, my name is Briahna. B-R-I, and that's B-R-I-A-H-N-A, okay? Don't forget that H after that A. And I am 21 years old. 21. And my birthday is December 2nd. So I am a Sagittarius. It's lit. If you were a Sagittarius, drop your birthday down below in the comments. Sagittarius unites. So yes, I am 21 years old, and I'm a Sag. So my next question is, where are you from? I am from Prince George's County, Maryland. Now, when I'm asked this question, I usually just say Prince George's County because growing up, I moved around so much that I've lived in like a lot of places within the county. So I just say Prince George's County, Maryland. And yeah, next question. Who is your biggest inspiration? Biggest inspiration will have to be my mom. Only because like she's such like a hard working woman, and she makes sure that, you know, my siblings and I have everything that we want or could ever need. And she does it by herself for the most part. And so yes, she is the definition of getting it out the mud, period. So shout out to my mama. I know you watching. Hey girl. And so yes, my biggest inspiration is my mom. So yeah. Let's see, what are your plans after college? So after college, I plan on doing my 1-year residency. I don't know where just yet, but I do plan on doing my residency for a year, then going back to school and getting my master's so that I can become a neonatal nurse practitioner, because I do want to work in the NICU. So yeah. Okay, so where do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay, so in 5 years, I will be, what, 26, going on 27. So in 5 years, I can honestly say 26, going on 27. I can see myself engaged, getting ready to get married, you know what I mean? Pretty stable in my career. I do want to buy a house, So I can see myself as a homeowner in about 5 years. As another stream of income, I would like to get into real estate, where like I buy houses, flip them, and then rent them out. And so that's something that I'm really interested in. Aside from like nursing is like my first love as far as careers go. But aside from just being a nurse, I would like to also be somebody's landlord, you know. So like it's always good money in that. And I'm very into like house shopping and all that jazz. So yeah, that is what I plan on doing in 5 years. Being successful, being a neonatal nurse practitioner in 5 years. I also would just be probably getting my master's. Well, no, I would have had my master's for at least a year, going on 2 years by then. But yeah, I would like to be a neonatal nurse practitioner by then, working in a hospital in their NICU as an NNP and not just as an RN. That's going to be the difference. Next question. What inspired me to do YouTube? Now, I've been wanting to do YouTube for a very long time now. Probably since like my senior year of high school, or even my freshman year of college. And I've actually like have filmed videos in the past before, but for some reason I never liked them, or they never came out the way that I wanted them to, or for whatever reason it just didn't work out, and I never like posted my videos. But I've been wanting to do it for a very long time now. I guess like watching my favorite YouTubers like be able to work and have so much fun while working and just living their regular everyday lives was just so interesting to me. And I was like, that's like the type of like, that's a great job to have, to be able to like just live your life and record and bring people along your journey and be able to inspire and to connect with other women. So that's what inspired me to do it. Just to be able to connect, motivate, inspire women who are similar to me or have been through similar things that I've been through. So yeah, that is what inspired me. I want to be able to touch people and change lives. That's my big thing. Being able to touch and change lives. What do you do on your free time? Okay, so on my free time, I like to do a lot of window shopping and actual shopping, but most of the time it's just window shopping online. I love watching Netflix. I like to read. And a lot of people don't know me, but I also like to do Sudoku. The little puzzles where you plug in the numbers 1 through 9, but they can't repeat on the same rows, same columns, and in the same box. I like doing that, and I actually do like a few puzzles every night before I go to bed. And a lot of people don't know that about me, but I do. I feel like it keeps your mind stimulated. It stimulates the mind, keep it going. So yeah, and I love math, so I do that on my free time. Favorite TV show and movie. Okay, so my favorite TV show would have to be Grey's Anatomy. I love me some Grey's. Absolutely love it. So that is my favorite TV show of all freaking time. Now, my favorite movie. Don't judge me, but My favorite movie is actually Baby Boy, and like that's been my favorite movie ever since like I was a kid. Like my grandmother used to always say like, girl, like why do you like, you are a whole like child, why do you like this movie so much? I don't know, I just liked it. So that is my favorite movie, is Baby Boy. And my favorite show is Grey's Anatomy. So I need to redo my whole little bang. Not the bang. The bang. Oh no. Oh, oh. I need to do my little bang again. Do you believe in getting married young in college? I feel like to each his own. If you are in love, you love that man, if you love that woman, and in college, you know, that's what you want to do, y'all feel like y'all are at that point where y'all are ready to commit, like a lifetime commitment to just one another, that's what you are ready to do, and you are in the place to either have a ceremony or to even just go to the courthouse, live your life, marry that man, marry that woman, because time waits for no one. Next question. Dang, I answered these questions quick because I'm not even done my face. Not done my face. I have one more question left. Okay, so my next and final question is, how do you balance life and school? Okay, so how do you balance life and school? So basically, as far as that goes, I just keep a planner. Like I literally have a planner that I live by, okay? It has hourly like windows and breakdowns, and so every hour that I have something to do, I have it in my planner. So if I work from home, so if I have a meeting at a certain time, then that's in my planner for the hour. Then after that, if I plan on doing something or I have something else I have to do, if I have a deadline or something, I put that in my planner. If after work I have somewhere to be, something to do, I try to like map it out and stick to my planner as much as possible, especially like when school's starting. And on top of doing YouTube now, I'm gonna have to like keep my planner up to date, because if I don't, I'm just gonna be all over the place. Okay, so my camera stopped. Where did I end up at? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna say, like, as well as like if I don't have my planner when school starts, I'm gonna get lost because I have assignments, tests, quizzes, along with filming for YouTube and editing on top of my other things that I have going on in my life. I have to make time for everything, everyone, even myself. So I just keep a planner and I just map out my days, especially my really busy days, like, and I just try to stick to my planner as much as possible. That doesn't always happen, but for the most part, I'm pretty good at sticking to my planner, because that's like what gives me like that balance. And it's like, you need to do this. If I say, okay, I need to do this at 2 o'clock, at 2 o'clock I am doing that. So that's how I balance life and school. Okay, and so this concludes like all of my questions. I'm gonna come back at the end once I'm all done and glam, so y'all can see the final look. And yeah, alright beauty, so this concludes the video. This is the final look. I added some shadows, some lashes, some gloss, and some highlights. Okay, and then I also fixed my hair and I took it down. And so if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss the video. See you in the next one. Bye.